Welcome to another episode of Downeast Under Creations. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Really appreciate it. Does help the channel. So what's for lunch there, YouTube? It's hot dog street tacos. Right from the Guy Food Gourmet to you. No need to thank me, just enjoy. They're so awesomely good. You're gonna love them. So the first order of business is I'm gonna throw some mustard on these, I have these small street taco tortillas, and they're nice and soft and pliable. And it's easier for me to put the mustard on first while it's flat. Then I put it in the little taco holder. I'm going to make 3 of them. Yeah, it doesn't take much. Then what I like to do next, I have some chopped onion. Now I usually use chopped yellow onion. I didn't have any, so I'm using chopped red onion, which is perfectly fine. I like that too. It's whatever you like, really, when you're making them. This is just the way I do it. Maybe you don't even like onion. Throw all that goodness in there. Okay. Now at this point, I have this hot pickle salsa. It's not really hot, but that's what they call it. Now a lot of times I just use relish, regular, a sweet relish, or sometimes a dill relish. It varies, depends on my mood. So we're going to use this. I happen to have this here, so we'll use it. Put a little bit in each one. But then I want to add a little heat and seat. This is a local habanero sauce made here in Maine. It's called Habanero Heaven from Mother's Mountain, called Deadly Pepper Sauce. It's not really as hot as they make it out to be, but it's a little bit hotter than most other hot sauces on the market. It's not bad. It has a nice flavor to it. So I'm going to add a little of that, because you know you got to have the heat. And that'll do the trick. So I've got all of my condiments, and now I'm going to steam up some hot dogs. Now you can grill them, steam them, fry them, whatever you want to do. Nuke them, if you know all you have is a microwave. That'll work too. So now that my hot dogs are all steamed, let me put one in each. Ready to go. Alrighty, time for the sample. Most excellent. Yeah. There's a lot of different ways you can eat a hot dog. Here's just another one. And these are tasty. If you never thought of doing this before, you got to try it. I love it. Today's lunch. Please give me a like and thumbs up, and share the video, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Remember to ring the bell. Much appreciated. It does help the channel. Street tacos. Street tacos from the Guy Food Gourmet. Well, folks, thank you so much for watching. I very much appreciate it. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and if you do subscribe, remember to ring that little bell so that you can be notified of any new videos that are published. And once again, thank you very much for watching my channel. Comment if you will. Thank you.